Welcome back to the channel. So today we got something new and unexpected for the channel. So the past weekend I was at the Barbarian Scaleplex for a No Man Left Behind event, which is in support of wounded warriors. And they were trying to raise money, had a bunch of raffles. I decided to spend some money to support a good cause. And I ended up coming home with actually multiple things, but in particular, one big item that I got. 6x6 by Axial. So this is something that normally I probably would have never bought myself 6x6, but winning it for a good cause is pretty awesome. It also came with a new battery pack by Helios. So we're gonna take it over to the bench, check it out, and then let's take it out back and see how it does. I have not run it yet, so have no clue how to do. So I hope you stick around for that. All right, so here we go, guys. So this is the battery pack that I won from Helios, a 5200 3S LiPo pack. I've been wanting to try an Helios pack. I hear great things about them, so I finally get the opportunity. So this is the truck. You know, I've obviously know about 6x6s. Have locals that compete in a 6x6 class with 6x6s, and they all pretty much use the Traxxas TRX6. I do not like the body on the TRX6. I do think out of your options, this is the prettier body. I'm also not sure how I feel about having a 6x6. But now that I do have one, we're going to try it out and see what it's like. I will likely compete in the 6x6 class with it. I like the way the wheels look. If you're not familiar, you have two body posts hidden under here that I've already taken the clips out of. And this body actually hinges up like that, so you can see it. It already has a light kit installed for rear lights, and the wires are run, so you don't have to really do anything. Wires are run to the front bumper. That's your battery tray right there. Servo, motor trans, dynamite, like more or less like a 1060 ESC. It is a Spectrum radio receiver. I've never actually used Spectrum, so that'd be interesting. And it's a Spectrum servo as well, so I'm not sure how well that is. We'll see. Battery, like I said, will go there, and I'm really curious to see how this thing is going to perform. So let's get the battery in it and let's get it out back and see how she does. First run of the 6x6. For a big truck, it's got a good turning radius. Oh, and we rolled it. We'll adjust it. We can flip it out here. All right, guys, so there you have it. What do you think of the Axial 6x6? You know, again, this is something I probably would have never bought for myself. Out of the 6x6s available from a look standpoint, I think this body is the best. I do not like the Mercedes body that's on the TRX 6. but I like this body. Now, I have this. I'm going to play with it, of course. Our local competing for crawling, we actually have some people that are participating in a 6x6 class. So since I have one, I will probably participate. I imagine because of that, I'll end up start modifying this one to be more competitive. They're using TRX 6s, all modified with special bodies. So I definitely think the servo is lazy. Needs a better servo for sure. Outside of that, more time with it, understand it more, and how to drive it. And the tires, I think, need a little bit more break-in time. But I think it's pretty cool. I hope you like it, guys. If you have a Axial 6x6, let me know what mods you recommend. Anything you would do. I'd appreciate to hear that, guys. I hope you like what you see today. And if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Until the next time.